Are you looking to create powerful personal finance calculators quickly and easily? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Outgrow for exactly that, and trust me, it's simpler than you think. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build your own interactive calculators that can transform your website and help your audience make smarter financial decisions. Stick around for the entire video, because I've got an exclusive bonus offer just for you. Outgrow is an incredibly versatile tool that's especially great for building interactive content, and personal finance calculators are one of its standout features. Whether you're creating a simple savings calculator or something more complex like a retirement planner, Outgrow makes it easy to customize and launch in no time. Let's start by jumping into the Outgrow platform. When you first sign up, you'll be welcomed with a clean, user-friendly interface. Outgrow offers pre-built templates for all sorts of interactive tools, and they have a solid selection of personal finance calculators that you can use right away. But what really sets Outgrow apart is the customization. You can tweak these calculators to your exact specifications, whether that's adjusting the formulas behind them or changing how they look to match your brand. To create your first personal finance calculator, simply click on the Create New button. From there, Outgrow provides you with various templates like loan calculators, tax calculators, and investment planners. Choose one that fits your needs and hit Customize. The real magic happens in the customization stage. You can adjust every single element from the fields your users will fill out to the design of the calculator itself. Want a sleek, modern look? It's just a few clicks away. Need to add specific financial variables? No problem. Just add the new questions or data points into the calculator and set the formulas. Outgrow's intuitive interface allows you to change almost everything without having to know any coding. One of the best parts about Outgrow for personal finance calculators is the real-time feedback feature. As soon as a user enters their information, the calculator will generate results instantly, making it a super interactive experience. And this isn't just about engagement. These calculators can actually provide valuable insights for your audience, helping them make better financial decisions. Outgrow also integrates with other platforms like email marketing tools, CRMs, and even analytics software, which means you can track how your calculators are performing and gather valuable data. This is crucial if you want to optimize your calculators over time and convert users into leads or customers. Now, let's talk about sharing your calculator. Once you've built it, Outgrow makes it easy to embed it on your website or share it across your social media channels. You can also track how people are interacting with your calculators, which is great for improving engagement and driving traffic to your site. Outgrow's pricing structure is pretty straightforward, but here's the best part. You can try it completely for free using the exclusive link in the description below. By signing up through that link, you'll also get extended trial access, which means you can experiment with more features without paying a dime. In conclusion, Outgrow is a powerful platform for building personal finance calculators, and it's perfect whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer. You get full control over the design, functionality, and integration of these tools, making it easier than ever to engage your audience while providing them with valuable, actionable insights. So if you want to start creating your own personal finance calculators and take your website to the next level, be sure to grab that free trial with our exclusive bonuses through the first link below. You won't regret it.